Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. We're here camping in the Great Smoky Mountains. Today I'm going to show you how to make a grill that you can use anywhere with 3 items you can make for free yourself. So y'all stay tuned. So if you got a grill, you're gonna need a grill, right? Well, I got this one for free from a grill that somebody was throwing away. You put it out in the trash, man. The rest of the grill was rusted out, but this had a cast iron grill on it. Grab that up, okay? Over here, we have our Dutch oven plate that we made for free, that we got the metal for free and did that. I'll give you a card right above for the video to that. Then underneath this, I have a little stand that I made. I haven't shown y'all how to make this yet, but this was made from some old bed rails that we're laying out to the garbage. Drop us a comment right down below if you want us to show you how to make that. So we're going to start out. See, right here, our camp grill over there, it's not such great shape, and our all the wood we have is pine and a little bit of maple. Not great for grilling, especially not pine. Don't grill anything on pine. But so we're using that for campfire, but we don't have a picnic type grill. So with this deal, you can keep that heat up off the ground and not have any issues. Just make sure if there's leaves or anything underneath there, you sweep those back first. So we got our charcoal getting ready. So we're going to do a quickie, just some steaks and sweet potatoes. All right, real quick, I'm going to show you how I prep my sweet potatoes. I have 2 layers of foil here, and I want them both shiny side towards the potato, okay? Dull side, shiny side. Line them up on top of each other. I'm going to put just a little bit of oil. And you can rub that around with your fingers. I'm not right now because my fingers aren't the cleanest. So I'm just going to wipe it with a little rag there and get the skin completely coated. I've been over there handling charcoal, so you know how it is when you're camping. Alrighty, so now all we need is a little salt. Okay, let's give her a little sprinkle of salt, just a little on the outside. You could put some cinnamon on it too if you want, but a lot of people don't eat the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and make a nice tight pouch once. Fold it back over. Then I'm going to flip this seam side the other way this time. Do it the same way. So 2 layers. Our charcoals are ready. We had them up there just getting ready. Now we'll use our lifter to grab this plate. It's going to be hot already from that thing sitting on it. Now grab our rack from underneath. Put the plate right on the ground and protect the ground. Rack's in place. And go ahead and spread our charcoal right on the plate. This is all gravel up here, so no problem with that. Use our lid lifter to spread those out. I want to make about a little 4 or 5, 8 of them over here. It's like 2 piles of 8. Those will be for the sweet potatoes. And over on this side, we might have to get our tongs. So we want to pile these up and get it pretty hot over here. Let's go grab the tongs. In this case, we could actually take the grill and just turn it this way. Alright, be for steaks. Baked potatoes are going right on 4 coals each. Let's see if we can fix those a little bit. Right there. Alright, now let's get a little oil and wipe that down. Or we can spray it. Okay, it's been about 7 minutes, 6 or 7 minutes. About every 6 or 7 minutes you want to give these sweet potatoes a quarter turn. just checked on the taters. Been about 25 minutes. They are just about done. Just poked them with a knife. They're getting nice and soft. Let's go in with our little chuck eyes. These are great for camping. They're small. You don't have to worry about any leftovers. And they'll fit on a grill like this. And they're delicious. So we're stuck in like 10-mile-an-hour backup for the last, I don't know, couple of miles. Up here in front of us, you can see where the big Gatlinburg fire burned up the mountain. And way up on top there, I was showing you that it snowed up there last night. See the big bare patches there on the mountain now was from the big Gatlinburg fire. Okay guys, them steaks are coming off, and I have a piece of aluminum foil standing by because it's cold out. Low 40s already. Put them on that metal plate. They're gonna cool off real quick. So let's go ahead and grab our nice hot baked sweet potatoes. So we got that foil on there now. We can just put them right on top. And they'll keep everything warm till we can get it on the plate. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this ready for the plate. Those taters are nice and hot. We're gonna pull our steak out and we're gonna slice it for our guests at camp because chances are we didn't bring steak knives for everyone. So we'll bring it up here on our little Bass Pro cutting board. Go ahead and see how it is. I'm aiming for a little medium rare. That's the way we like ours. That looks pretty dang good to me. Alright, so it's time for our baked sweet potato. And some of you are asking probably when I did this why we wrapped it twice. Well, this outside, that was in contact with charcoal. Okay? So we can go ahead and take that off. We'll go ahead and unwrap the first layer, and that inside layer is going to be perfectly clean. That can go right on your serving plate in the foil. You can eat it right out of the foil. That's the reason for 2 layers of foil. Let's go ahead and just split the foil. Squish it like you would any other potato. If you could do this with a regular russet potato also, it's going to take a little longer to cook a regular potato than a sweet potato. So then you're going to need a little more heat also. So there's some nice butter. A little more around that steamy hot sweet potato. And while these other campers are out here eating Chef Boyardee, you're eating steak and sweet potatoes. Backwoods Gourmet style. Alright guys, so that was pretty easy. Let's go ahead and try this Sweet potato bake right there on the coals. Can't get no better than that right there. Some of our steak. And pardon some of the background noise. You know, we're in a national forest or national park campground. So we have neighbors here. And for some reason, I know there's a lot of folks from India here today. We've seen them all day. So if anybody knows why there's so many people from India here today, leave us a comment. Out of bed for. Okay guys, if you watched our camp backpack video, I showed this product right here and I said I was going to leave it behind. Mrs. Backwoods talked me out of that and we brought it, and it has been very handy. So if you got this little folding Coleman double sink, I highly recommend it.
Especially since Mrs. Backwoods has to wash all the dishes.
You ate good, right?
I ate good.
So today was a beautiful day here in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. I hope you guys get out and do something just like this and try out some of the things that we're teaching on our channel while you're camping. So if you like what we're doing, please hit the like button right down there to subscribe to our channel. You can do it right there. To see another great Backwoods Gourmet video, it's going to be right up there. And for a whole playlist of cast iron Dutch oven cooking, it's going to be right up there. We'll see you next time.